welcome back to Dr. No YouTube Update, and I just go through the scientific literature showing you that you can take charge of your health, and the natural way is the only way to go. So here's a correlation of biomarkers and cognitive function in elderly. So this was published in Neurology Drug Journal, December 28th, 2011, showing is that, these biomarkers in nutrient are essential for your good health. So they looked at B1, B2, B6, folic acid, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. And they showed, once again, always and always, you're deficient in that, you cause cognitive problems like dementia, Alzheimer's, depression, bipolar, mood things. So that is where you want to go in terms of you have mental health. Now they just had a study that 1 out of 5 people have mental health issues or mentally ill or like that. That's 20% of the population. Once again, you need to be knowledgeable that the SSRIs don't work any better than placebo. Do real science here in terms of trying to help. That was from University of Portland. Fish oil increases strength in elderly people. A big concern. Big shift in terms of demographics. The baby boomers. There's more people that are old than are young. We can't continue the sick care model where as people continue to get old and fall apart, created by the drug doctors and drug companies, we don't have the money. It used to be like in Medicare. There used to be 5 people helping 1 person on Medicare. Now within about 2 or 3 years, it's going to be 1 person's going to have to take care of 3 to 5 people. Can't be done. If they work 24 hours, 7 days a week, they don't have enough money to, once again, pay for their illness because of the crap doesn't work and the high cost. So in this study here, from Brazil, it's kind of interesting, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition though, January 2012, cutting edge, not like your drug doctor back in the 50s, showing that taking fish oils, omega-3 fatty acids, was another way to increase strength. Fish oil is good food, makes your body strong. If your body's strong, you are healthy. Low intestinal microbial diversity in children may correlate with atopic eczema. Big problem with little kids. They got all these kind of skin problems, and the drug doctor, once again, being quacks, puts steroids on that interferes with your immune system, causes osteoporosis, and thins the skin, and once again, doesn't get to the cause of the problem. So from Sweden, and published in Journal of Allergy Clinical Immunology, December 2011, showing that, the good type of bugs in your tummy help with your skin problems. These are kind of funny. I mean, I work with veterinarians, and animals are great because, first of all, there's no placebo effect because, they don't know any better, but gee, my stuff works and the drug crap doesn't work. So I see lots of dogs and cats that have problems where they're biting themselves back like that. It's usually due to essential fatty acids and bad intestinal tract. And it doesn't matter if they have leukemia and other things. That's what causes that. You give them on this, gone like this. And they've gone to see the vet and gone to the vet school and spend tens of thousands of dollars because vets are just drug doctors that give to animals. So the drug doctors with humans don't know what they're doing. The vet doesn't know what they're doing. So it's kind of sad. So in this publication showing, give your child some little things, a very toxic thing called acidophilus. Oh, that's right, it's not toxic. The drugs that they give your kid does, showing that findings suggest that low intestinal microbial diversity during the first month of life is associated with atopic eczema. So they know about it, but you're not going to hear about it because, a person can go to their health food or see their natural doctor to get it. This one I actually kind of like. Probiotic gum reduces morning breath. So it's been known for a long time, halitosis, bad breath, is something not only bad for your teeth, now even dentists now know this, is that it increases your chances of a heart attack because the bug in your mouth gets into your system, goes to your heart, and makes you sick. So now from Denmark, published in Orthodontic Scandia, December 2011, is that you can buy this kind of special gum that has probiotics, and there's a special kind of sugar called xylitol. I have that, and I give it mostly to people because their doggy and kitty have bad breath, have bad teeth. They go see the vet, cost them $1,000. I say, hey, here are the studies. Here, give this to the little Fluffy or to the little kitty, and they chew this, they like it, and it keeps their mouth clean, and they save themselves $1,000 a year to go to the vet who has to put the animal under anesthesia, clean their teeth. It's traumatic. It kills the animal sometimes. And once again, it doesn't get to the cause of the problem. The vet's happy. They make $1,000. The person's not happy. They might be. And here's something simple that's not only good for their teeth, but prevent heart attacks. 70% of your immune system is in your gut, whether or not you're a cat, dog, or person. 80% of your serotonin, which makes you feel good, is in your gut. That doesn't matter if you're a cat, dog, or person. So there's something, once again, like I said, I laugh. When I give it to people, they go, oh, well, my drug insurance doesn't cover it. How much does it cost? Oh, it's $19. Oh, no, well, I won't do that. I'll go out and drink some beer and hot dogs for $19, but I won't do anything because you'll just go see your dentist because you have Medicare and they cover it. What kind of quackery is that? Supplementation with krill oil boosts recovery after a heart attack. Published in Lipids Health Disease, December 2011, and this comes from Norway too. Well, krill oil is kind of like the new essential fatty acid, which has just wonderful healing properties. It's one of the, I posted on Dr. McCullough's website, they had the top 10 drugs that kill people and cost lots of money. I did the top 10 natural things that actually save people and is a lot more cost effective. And one of them is krill oil. Krill oil is one of these little creatures in the ocean that are very, very strong in terms of healing properties. And so it's been around for a couple of years. It's great. Well, in this study showing that even when you go to the, and have heart problems, people that were in the hospital that took krill oil was able to get out of the hospital, a week or two earlier. Now, people say, wow, why wouldn't they all do that? Well, one reason is, one, they don't know anything about nutrition. Two is, why on earth would they, the drug hospitals want them to go out? They're making $10,000 a day. It's well known. Everybody knows the story. You don't have insurance, you're out the next day. You have great insurance, they milk that system for weeks and weeks. I just had a colleague of mine that had a stroke, and because his wife works for the California state government, which is once again a big ripoff in terms of billions of dollars of wasted money, he was in there and was being milked. He was seeing, let's go to the physical therapist. I said, hey, his name is Timothy. Timothy, here's a study showing that doing it at home is actually more effective than having the physical therapist at $300 a session. Oh, well, even he went along with it. I mean, it's once again, the madness, once again, you have some punk in the city go to 7-Eleven, steal $10, and they're thrown in jail for 20 years. Here they're ripping off the tax dollars, $10,000 a day, milking the system for this guy who would have been better off. And actually, he states, and I'll try to get him in, I helped him more doing natural things than, once again, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars at the Queen of the Valley in Napa, California. But that happens every day. So if they have Medicare, Medi-Cal, insurance, they just milk that system. You pay cash, okay, Bill, you got to get out of here because we know you don't have $25,000 a day, so let's get you out. Here, we'll fix you up, put it like that. Here, take this at home, get out of here. Don't ever call me back again. That's exactly how it's done. And that's why our system is broken. We've created a debt, once again, $117 trillion, not only with government, but also with this so-called healthcare system, that the average taxpayer, that's equal to $145,000 per taxpayer, owes this money that, of course, no one can ever afford because of this quackery and this criminal type of action. So have a nice day. Thanks.